So when the appointments form loads, I want to populate the combo box with all the customers. So I'll use the with keyword because we are going to assign few properties to our CBO, or which is the combo box customer dot combo box. And the first property we want is the data source, and that is coming from the customers items. Just like we have the appointments items property, we have the same for the customers, which is the SQL statement that loads all the customers. So we'll go to our customers object dot, and now we call the items property. The next property for the combo box is the display member, which I want to simply display as name. That's what we are displaying, just the names of the customers. And now I'm going to set the value member, which is the ID itself. So it will bind the name with the ID. So it's the customer ID as the value member. And finally, I don't want any customer to be pre-selected, so we'll set the selected index to be -1. So this will populate the combo box with the customers. But remember, we don't want to display anything at all in our grid view, so I'm also going to set the form loading to be false. Even though it is inside the load event, we don't want to load any data inside the grid view. So let's go back to the form, and I'll double click the close button. And just do this one quickly, because all we do is close the form. Nothing is done here at all. And next we can start coding the event for selected index changed, which happens when the user selects a customer from the dropdown, and when that happens we want to populate the grid view with the appointments for this particular selected customer.